Today we're going to make some artichoke crostinis. I know it sounds weird, so let's get to it. First step, I got some chicken stock. We're going to blanch the artichokes in some chicken stock. Your artichokes are blanching. We're going to get a pan nice and hot. Some olive oil. Going to add some butter. We're going to let that melt down. So now the butter's nice and melted. We're going to take this off the heat. And our artichokes look ready to come out. In this butter mix, we're going to add a couple of spoonfuls of chicken stock. That should be good. In our butter and olive oil and stock mix, we're going to add some roasted garlic that I made the other day. And we're going to just mash them up. Add a little salt and pepper. Now you're going to place your artichokes right down inside this. Just like that. In a bowl, I got the fresh basil, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. I don't make this with breadcrumbs because I don't eat carbohydrates. If no one knew that, you know now. There are recipes like this that have breadcrumbs. I just don't eat them, and these ones are for me, not for anybody else. So that's why they have no breadcrumbs. So we're going to take them. I'm going to put a generous amount of this on each one and into a 500-degree oven. They should come out of the oven looking like this. Nice golden brown. See how the cheese is nice, perfect melted. That's how you want them. I can eat these things all day. Low carbohydrates, packed with flavor. Can't go wrong.